I really think this is a really beautiful car. In fact, for me, it's definitely my favorite SUV platform. We utilize interior space, leading to ample leg and cargo room, and this is perfect for road trips with the family. The interior cabin layout for both models was designed to be intuitive with ease of use controls, as the main goal leading to a minimalistic yet contemporary cabin design. The most important information is conveniently displayed on a 5.3-inch digital instrument cluster mounted on the steering column. And the freshly updated 12.9-inch infotainment system is ergonomically tilted towards the driver and boasts easy to use and intuitive graphics and menu design. All in all, the ID4 and ID5 represent Volkswagen's commitment to drive innovation and sustainability here in Singapore. But most importantly, we want to make our new electric SUVs accessible to as many Singaporeans as possible, staying true to our motto, electric for all. Hence, I am happy to announce that the models are competitively priced from $222,900 for the ID4 Pro and $232,900 for the ID5 Pro. The GTX versions start at $242,900 for the ID4 and $252,900 for the ID5 GTX. But to make things even better, we will provide a worry-free EV starter package for every customer that decides to buy a Volkswagen ID. Inclusive 5 years free servicing and roadside assistance, 5-year vehicle warranty, and the 8-year battery warranty. Exclusively for the launch period, customers will have a choice between a free AC charger and cooperation for charging break room, inclusive of installation, or alternatively an 18-month mobile charging package in collaboration with our partner PR, as well as a 1-year connected vehicle package. This guarantees a worry-free start to the vehicle ownership and leaves no space for topics like range anxiety. And for the first 50 ID4 and ID5 Pro, we have created a limited first edition to commemorate the launch here in Singapore, featuring interior and exterior badges of the car. Overall, 2 amazing models with an amazing value proposition for a powerful and EV. I know I've spoken for quite a while now, but there's one more thing I have to announce before you all can enjoy the new models. We do not want to let you leave here before giving you a glimpse of what the future holds for the ID lineup here in Singapore. Hence, we have not shied away from any costs to bring our electric hatch, the ID3, and our electric fastback, the ID7, as well as the crowd favorite ID Bus for their first official preview here in Singapore. And the best news is that the ID Bus will be launched later this year. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this iconic model. The ID Bus will be available as a 5, 6, and 7-seater version, as well as a cargo version. And we are happy to officially announce that we are opening registrations of interest for ID Bus from today onwards. So thank you very much for your kind attention. There are lots of models to explore, and in case you have any questions, the Volkswagen team is here to assist you. I wish you a great time and enjoy all the electric Volkswagen lineup together with us today. Thank you very much.
And could we also please have Dr. Legner, Mr. Mayor, and Mr. Daniel Consentia, as well as Rich on stage for a very quick photo.